Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing your files and confirming sample rates so audio won't drift. Once imported, create a sequence that matches your video and place clips on separate tracks, voice, music, sound effects, for clear control. Make small gain adjustments with clip gain to set comfortable levels before mixing. Make sure to enable clip keyframes and peak meters so you can see problematic peaks. From here, you're ready to trim and clean each clip without hunting for settings later. Now move into focused cleanup. Zoom the waveform to cut silent tails and remove breaths or clicks with the razor tool and ripple delete. Once clips are tidy, assign essential sound roles, dialogue, music, SFX, to access tailored controls. This speeds equalization and loudness matching. Use denoise lightly, then parametric EQ to remove muddiness and boost clarity around 2.5 kHz. Add dynamics or a gentle compressor to control peaks. Make real-time adjustments and listen at reference levels so edits translate off your system. Finish by setting relative levels. Pull music down under dialogue and automate fades with keyframes or the track mixer for consistent balance. Use meters to target loudness, about -14 LUFS for streaming, and leave headroom to avoid clipping. Export stems as WAV 48K for archiving and an MP4/AAC master for delivery. Render with a high-quality audio bit depth. If you encounter clipping or hiss after export, reduce master gain slightly, add a limiter for peaks, or rerun denoise on the noisy track to preserve clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.